interested in is a 163.90 area on NVDA. Let's see, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So we've been holding this area, holding it. We've tried to dip under it. I've watched some guys get filled 5,000, 10,000 shares quite a bit here, just below 60, 162.80, 162 flat. There's been quite a few positions built here, right here. And then we're bouncing right back up over that 162. So I would say at a minimum, we're going to rip. We got the calc level 161.52, pre-market lows from the previous candle, bounce back up into this 164. So I'm looking at 163.9-ish at 164.59. Those are the two places of interest for this short. So
order filled.
I got to start going here on NVIDIA, half size on the short. We're right at the 60-minute 9. And I'm looking for a pop in 163 to add. So I'm going to take some profits going into the close of this 5-minute candle.
Order filled.
There we go. All out the short. All out the short. I'm looking for another move up so I can get some more.
Order filled.
165. So I just got filled on that 164.50, and I'm gonna take an ad there. There we go. NVIDIA's about to tank here. I'm gonna take some profits into, again, I'm gonna be scalpy here for a bit, but I'm taking profits into 163. I'm gonna get paid.
Order filled.
There we go. There we go. So I got hit. My cover order got hit. Got paid on NVIDIA. I would love to see this 165.88 get set up here on NVIDIA. I'd love to see that one. NVIDIA is almost to my target. Come on up there. 4 more minutes.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
Hell yeah, I just got paid again. All right. Right before the pop. Nice. I just took off 80% again into that sell-off or that pullback. And I'm going to stop out over 166.10 on this last piece. Ooh, what a short, man. I top ticked that shit. Bam.
Order filled.
There we go. Got my ad on NVIDIA. Start breaking that 15. We ought to get some nice panic selling going on. Let's go. Hell yeah. I got some full size on NVIDIA here too. I'm going to take some profits. Now, if we can break 165.88, I'll add into that. Right now, I just paid myself again. And I got a profit stop in place on the rest. So win-win. There it is. Let's go. There it is. I'm taking profits. So I'm going to take one more off on the option contracts here around 66. Come on down there. And this 166 would be the next, potential bounce area. So I wouldn't be surprised at all to see it bounce all the way back to 72 and not be able to break, So take profits. If you're short, you're going to want to take profits into that 66. Let's go, man. NVIDIA is going to give me 165 even. Let's go. Probably take a little bit of profits here. We just broke 166 and we still got sell pressure. We got sell pressure on the open of the 15, right? So we still got 15 minutes on this candle, 12 minutes on this candle. At least one more 5-minute candle. If that can get me into 165, I'm going to take profits. I'll cover a little bit of NVIDIA here at 65.80, the old black magic. And then the rest would be, I'd like to see 165, 164.90. I'm all out now. Killer fucking day.